Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net, and we're going to talk about today's video, trading the NQ here. Nice day of trading, market pretty active. Need a little bit of volatility to keep the market moving up and down. We don't care which way it goes, our auto trader will trade it either way. So here we are trading the NQ, market runs up and peaks near a high, and then starts a downtrend. And we get short here. The auto trader gets short, riding the downtrend, and got some nice gains. Hit our first two profit targets, and our stop loss gets hit here. So we're halfway to our profit goal, and the downtrend continues over here. It sells off, and we get a nice $824 profit on two trades and 100% winners. So great way to start the day with the Trading123 Autotrader. Let's look at the strategy performance, and here we go. Total net profit 824, commission 2508, and all the other numbers down there. Potential profit on a monthly basis for 30 days 25,160. So that was our first trade on the NQ with the auto trader. So let's look at our second trade. And trading's all about discipline, having patience, because the market gapped down and looked like it was selling off, and all of a sudden they gunned it at the lows a couple minutes in. So you were short trading that manually, probably would have lost your ass. The auto trader would have nailed it, but we don't trade the first 10 minutes. We sit out, because that's all for rookies, newbie traders. So let's look at our next trade. So here's our second trade of the NQ, and we're trading three contracts. Goal 640, and basically the market here, we wait till after 10. Part of our market timing, and market starts a new uptrend. So it gets long here, gets some nice profits, skips this short because the trend was up, and catches the next wave up out of a three-wave move, which is very powerful, and we hit our profit goal, $639 profit, and we're 2 for 2. And here's our strategy performance. Look at the numbers there. Total net profit 639, commission 25, and all the other numbers. Most important factor numbers were positive with our auto trader. And here is a trade on the NQ. No, I mean the ES. Basically, patterns repeat, and the same pattern that repeated yesterday. Market goes up to a high, trend change, and down we go. Nice slow grind to the downside. Our trail stop is dialed in, as you see here, following right above the Renko bars. We got that dialed in pretty good. And we just have a little patience, and it sells off nicely, and we hit our max daily goal, and the trade's over. Nothing really to do, just sit and watch, have some patience, and the goal is hit. And there's our strategy performance for our ES trade of the day, 549, commission 1254. Nice trade. Again, another winner, 100% winner on that trade. And all the other numbers there down at the bottom. Here is our third trade on the NQ. Again, the market starts a downtrend here, and the auto trader is just riding the trend down. 1, 2. Here's the first leg down. We call this a three-leg shake. one leg, two leg, three legs down, stair stepping, and then the final drop right here, the plunge. This is the falling off the cliff look here. As you see, you have your low here, and once this takes out, it accelerates down to the downside, and we get a nice gain there, and we upped our goal here going into the first hour of trading due to the range of the market. So we got a little extra profit there as it sold off down to the lows. And with this volatility in the market, any news can turn the market on a dime, so you got to be prepared for it. And that's what our algo bot does. Under any circumstances, any market conditions, it'll trade it, recognize the setup, the algorithm built into the software does it all for you. Probably most traders manually doing this would have thought this was a long, would have got long here and would have been in the profit, and then the bottom drops out, and then they're like scaling, scrambling, and then they probably would have bought this long here, and the bottom falls out and their day is ruined. So that doesn't happen with the auto trader. It does everything for you, makes all the decisions, no second guessing, no analyzing 5 indicators, looking at 14 charts with, like, somebody I know has got 6 moving averages on his chart. I call them spaghetti noodles. He trades with spaghetti noodles. Can't even see the damn Renko bars in the chart. So as I say, patterns repeat, and this one was a nice one. Stair stepping its way down, falling off the cliff look, whatever you want to call it, it works. And our algo bot nailed it. Here's the strategy performance for the trade. Total profit 804, and again $50 in commission, and again it made those 4 shorts 100% winners. I don't think there's a other strategy on the market that'll do it, what we offer. So with those 4 trades, we hit our daily goal of 2,000 profit, and we can take the money and run, come back tomorrow and repeat the same patterns, or we could do another trade and we wait until the power hour here after 11 and we run the auto trader one more time, same settings, and the same patterns repeat. Here we catch an uptrend, first target, second target, and our third runner catches 90% of the move up, and a nice move, and we're halfway to our profit goal. Then a little pullback, and back up we go. Patterns repeat, and we have another winner, $799, and that's the way our system works. Under any market conditions, this system will outtrade any trader out there, as it's an algorithm and it's been programmed to recognize these setups, and it knows when to trade, not to trade. And the average human brain has a lot of interference in it, from staring at the charts and looking at all your indicators and listening to the news, and just a lot of static going on in a trader's brain of when to press that trigger, take that 50 pounds of thrust on your finger and nail that mouse to get in the trade, and then watch it turn around on you. And then you go, what the hell happened? What went wrong? Oh, look at that chart. I missed that. Look what all the moving averages aren't lined up on that chart, or the stochastics, or the MACD. Those don't work. algorithm outtrade anybody here. So nice gain in that. Enough venting. And here we go. 7.99 is the strategy performance of our trade. $25 in commission, live trade. And so all in all, we had 5 trades, 4 on the NQ, all winners, and 1 ES trade for a nice gain. So all in all, our total profit for the day on those 5 trades is over $3,600, which would have paid for the software and 1 day of trading. That's how powerful the system is. It does have a learning curve of, depending on your experience, it could be, if you got 3 to 5 years experience, it could be a couple days, like some people that have bought it, and in a couple days they're up and running. If you're new to trading, it could take 3 to 4 weeks, or till you understand everything behind it and how it works. But it's very simple, as you see in the videos here, and same patterns repeat each day, and off you go to be profitable. Now most people say, well, the software is expensive. Well, most people will blow through $5,000 or $8,000 in losing trades when they first start. And so what would you rather do? Start off with an auto trader, or start off by losing 5, 8, 10 grand, 20 grand? I had a lady once call me and said she blew through $200,000. It's down to her last 10. What could she possibly buy that make it work for her? I told her career as a trader was over. There's nothing going to help her because she's mentally shot. Will never be able to pull the trigger. No matter what you buy, you're always going to second guess it. So your career is over. Go back to your day job. And that was the truth. When you blow through that amount of money, it's obviously pretty stupid. She should have got help after the first 10,000. And buying these DVD courses of 10 DVDs that tell you how to trade for $500, $800 and going through them, it's all bullshit. That ain't going to help you. Nothing's going to help you unless you trade on your own and do it on your own and learn on your own. Sitting in a chat room ain't going to help you. I ran a chat room for 10 years, and yeah, people made a lot of money, but there was people that just took the trades and didn't learn anything. And then when I quit, their career was over. SOL. Bye. So as I always say, you are in control of your profits as a trader. No one's going to do it but you. But if you have the right education and tools, you can do it. That's why when I first started trading and blew through my first 5,000, I decided to get help. I went and learned from a trading firm. Yeah, I paid a lot of money to do it, but it was well worth it because I'm still trading here, 24, 25 years later. So it was like an education. You go to college, you pay 10, well, now it's outrageous, but back in the 80s, you paid $10,000 for an education over a 2-year period, and you learn as you go, and one day it'll all click. The light bulb will go off in your head, and that happened about 6 months into it. The light bulb finally went off in my head, and I could see what they were telling me. I could see the patterns. I could see the support and resistance. And trading's all about support and resistance. And once I learned that and how the market moved, I was on my way to success. And then I started developing indicators because I'd always been good at computer stuff since I was 18, and now I'm 60. And then from doing indicators to starting a chat room and running that for 10 years was a lot of fun, but time flies, and next thing you know, you're like, okay, I'm 56. Okay, do I want to do this every day? No, I don't want to run a chat room. I did it enough. So then we developed the AutoTrader software and ran that in the chat room for a good year, and then it was time to call it and just, you know, show how our software works and sell our software, because it's a lot of work running a chat room. And right now there's a lot of more legal issues in calling out trades, because you have to be licensed and all that stuff. So I don't want to get into anything involving that. So that's why we developed the AutoTrader, so you can do it on your own. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Went a little long, covered a lot. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter on our website and follow us on social media and YouTube here. And we'll catch you in the next video.